welcome to the Crafty Chef's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making cheesy breadsticks, which are really easy to make. Before you start cooking, it's always really important to wash your hands. The ingredients that you will need: 90 grams of self-rising flour, 75 millilitres of plain milk, 15 grams of cheddar, you can use any cheese that you would like, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. The oven to 220 Celsius. First you want to get your salt and add a quarter teaspoon into your flour, and then you're going to want to add your cheese in with the mixture, and then you're going to want to grab a fork and just mix that. And after you've done that, you want to make like a little bit of a well in the middle of your mixture so it goes to the bottom. And then you want to scrape your yogurt in with the spatula into the middle of the well, and you just want to give that a good mix. Keep mixing until it comes together, and then go in with your hands to form a ball of dough. Once your dough is formed, you want to get it out on a flat surface, and you want to start kneading for a few moments. And if it does become sticky, then you do want to add a slight dusting of some flour just to prevent the stickiness. It shouldn't stick to your hands. After kneading, you want to divide your dough into 6 pieces, and then you want to get each piece and roll them into like a sausage, a long like caterpillar, and you can do this by rubbing your 2 hands together or stretching the dough. Once you've rolled your dough, you want to prepare your baking tray. First, you're going to line the tray with greaseproof paper. Then you're going to want to rub some olive oil and oil it on the greaseproof paper to prevent the breadsticks from sticking. After oiling your baking tray, place your breadsticks on the baking tray, and then you're going to get some more olive oil and just oil them so that it's more likely for them to turn out nice and golden and crispy. Once you're done, ask an adult to place the breadsticks in the oven for around 8 to 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, and we hope to be bringing you more content like this, which is fun and easy for children to make at home. Bye!